Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the LOOkX Derma Skin Polish Pads. These pads gently remove dead skin cells for a soft, radiant skin. The pads are drenched with a mix of active ingredients to reduce hyperpigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles. Gently strike the LOOkX Derma Skin Polish Pads along cleansed and dry skin, neck and décolletage. Make sure you avoid contact with your eyes. Use a product with UV protection afterwards, like the LOOkX Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer. The LOOkX Derma Skin Polish Pads are suitable for all skin types, but take caution when applied to a sensitive skin. Now don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.